Hi everyone! Today I am going to be showing y'all how to use Squarespace, the website or mobile app that we are using for our blog post for our PBL unit. So as y'all know, for our blog we are acting as astronomers and writing our blogs as if we were astronomers who have done research and studies on one or two planets. So after this page that I'm showing you right now is my screen after I have signed up, which takes less than a minute. It's super easy. Once you're done signing up, they give you options for a design you want your homepage to be. You can choose whatever design you want, because once you pick it, you can make it personal to you. So to edit your homepage, which is this right here, we're going to press edit. Now I already put my name because the typing on here sounds really loud and I don't know how to make it not so loud. So I already put my name. You can put your name, comma, astronomer. You can put anything you want as long as it has your name and it's relevant to our blog. Now what I'm going to show y'all is how to change this background picture because I want y'all's background pictures to be something relevant to the blog. So what you do is you press edit section. You're going to click on background. And then right here it shows what the image is right now. But I don't want that one, so I'm going to click replace. You can either upload a file from your own computer. You can select it from a library, which means if you've already used this website before, which I'm sure most of you haven't, or you can browse images that are from people that are on this website. So I already have a picture saved to my laptop, so I'm going to upload that. You give it a second to load. Also, you can change your text color and font. You can make it however you want. It is super unique to you. So here's my background picture. It is a picture of the solar system because I feel like that's very relevant to my blog. So once I'm done with that, I click done and save. And there is my home screen how I want it. Now, to get to the blogging part, we are going to click on pages. We go down to blog 1. And it may get a little confusing, but we are going to click on blog post title 1. Now once that is pulled up, we press edit. And right here it just has default words just to show you where to start with your blog. So what I'm going to do is change my title. Sorry, the typing is going to be kind of loud. And I'm going to title it My Life as an Astronomer. And then under here I have some space to write about my findings. And if you click this edit section button, you can make this however you want. So you can change the content width, the text alignment, which right now it's on the left, but if you press center, it goes to the center. The text alignment can either be above the title or below the title. I'm going to leave it above. Show categories, that is fine. I don't want mine to show the date. You can have yours show the date. I want it to have my name, and I want it to show my profile, and then you can change the style as well. You can also change the colors. So basically, all you have to do is just erase the default words and put your own. You have all these options here to make it how you want, and you can also add more space if you need more space. But once you are done with that blog, you're going to click on done and save. And then that's saved. So if we go back to pages and then back to home, we are back to the beginning where we made our home page. and anyone who has a Squarespace account can find your blog. So that's it. Thanks.